Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can zoom in on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. If you click right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And if you go here to the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, in order to zoom in on the PlayStation 5, you need to enable the zoom option. So in order to do that, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you're here in the settings, you're gonna find accessibility. Second option, go ahead and click on it, and then here you're gonna find display and sound, screen reader, controllers, closed captions, and chat transcription. Go ahead and click on the first option, which is display and sound, and then click on zoom. Once you do that, right here, if you find this option disabled, go ahead and make sure you enable the zoom, and then once you do that, right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the controls for the zoom. If you click on the PS button plus square, you will start the zoom adjustment. If you click on circle, you will reset the zoom adjustment. If you click on X, you will confirm the zoom adjustment. And if you want to move the display area, you need to move it with the right joystick. So right now, I'm gonna show you guys an example. So if you click on PS plus square, you'll be able to zoom. And if you click on X, you will be able to confirm your zoom adjustment. If you want to reset it, go ahead and click on PS plus square, then click on circle, and as you can see guys, now we reset our zoom. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.